In this video, I will show you how to install and run Gemma 4 directly on your iPhone using Google's AI Edge Gallery. We're going to test the Gemma 4 completely offline on iPhone hardware. Whether you want a private alternative to Apple Intelligence or simply want to experiment with local LLMs, this setup turns your iPhone into a fully offline AI powerhouse. Before we start, make sure you have an iPhone running iOS 17 or later, at least 5 GB of free space, a stable internet connection for downloading the models. Now head over to the App Store and search for Google AI Edge Gallery. This is an official application from Google that allows you to run open models directly on your iPhone. This application is completely free and very lightweight to download. Now go ahead and install it. Once the installation is complete, open the application. This is the main interface of the application. It's very clean and user-friendly. These are the different AI use cases available inside the application, and each feature requires a compatible model to function. Now let's go ahead and download Gemma 4. Simply tap the hamburger menu in the top left corner and select Models. These are the available AI models that can run directly on your iPhone. This application is smart enough to recommend compatible models based on your device hardware. If your iPhone has less than 6 GB of RAM, you may not be able to run the larger 4 billion models. Now for this tutorial, I would download the Gemma 4 E2B model, which works perfectly on my iPhone 15. Now simply tap the download button and make sure you are connected to fast internet, because the model files are quite large. Once the download is complete, tap Try It. You can now use the model for AI chat, audio scribe, image understanding, agent skills, mobile actions, and much more. Now let's test AI chat. Before doing that, I'm going to enable airplane mode to prove that everything works completely offline. And as you can see, the model is now initializing inside the iPhone's RAM. This process may take a few seconds. You can also customize the model settings, like increase the context length, enable thinking mode for better reasoning, choose between CPU or GPU acceleration. I recommend keeping the context length below 10K tokens because higher values may crash the application. Since iPhone GPUs are very powerful, I will stick with GPU acceleration for faster token generation. Now let's enable thinking mode and click OK. Now let's test its coding abilities. I'm going to ask it to create a simple stopwatch program using the C language. And as you can see, the model starts generating the response almost instantly. And what's impressive is that everything is happening directly on the iPhone hardware in real time without any internet connection. This means Gemma 4 is running fully, locally and privately on the device. Now let's ask another question. And once again, it responds successfully without needing cloud servers or online processing. One of the great features of Gemma 4 is its vision capability. It can analyze and understand images directly on your iPhone. To test this, open the Ask Image use case and import an image. Now let's ask, what is this image? And as you can see, the model correctly identifies and explains the image. You can even upload up to 10 images in a single session and ask questions about all of them. You can also explore the Agent Skills feature. For example, you can generate a QR code for any website directly from the application. There is a feature called Mobile Actions. This allows Gemma 4 to perform actions directly on your device using voice commands. Simply download this model and you will be able to turn on the flashlight, create calendar events, perform voice-based actions, and much more. And that's pretty much it. This is how you can run Gemma 4 locally on your iPhone and turn it into a fully offline private AI device. No cloud processing, no internet required, everything runs directly on your iPhone hardware. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to see more content. Thank you so much for watching. This has been KSK Royal. I will see you in the next one.